This week, several notable events have impacted global travel. Santorini earthquakes prompt state of emergency. Greece has declared a state of emergency in Santorini following nearly a week of underwater tremors that have shaken the popular tourist island. Over 10,000 residents and seasonal workers have evacuated due to the persistent seismic activity. Authorities have warned of potential landslides after a 5.2 magnitude quake, leading to school closures and the deployment of specialized rescue teams. The emergency status is set to remain until March 3rd. Safety advisory for travelers to Egypt. Egypt continues to attract tourists seeking cultural and adventurous experiences. The UK Foreign Office deems key tourist areas like Cairo, Luxor, Aswan, and Red Sea resorts as safe for visitors. However, travelers are advised to avoid regions such as North Sinai, parts of South Sinai, Ismailia Governorate, and certain western areas due to security concerns. There is a risk of terrorist attacks, primarily in North Sinai, especially during public holidays and festivals. Romeo Gigli opens stylish new riad in Marrakech. Renowned Italian designer Romeo Gigli has unveiled Riad Romeo in Marrakech's Medina. This 5-room accommodation showcases his avant-garde style, featuring major blue hues and minimalist abstract designs. All elements of a riad, from furniture to textiles, are locally produced, infused with Gigli's theatrical creativity. Inspired by his visits to Morocco 4 decades ago, Gigli has transformed this riad into a peaceful retreat near the bustling souk.